What's going on, guys? I'm Mighty back at again with the weekly Rust Skins videos, and yes, this video is late, my apologies, but let's just get this out of the way. The store isn't that great. This is what the top sellers are looking like for this week. We'll just do a quick video this week, and it seems we have a lot of carrot stuff going on. Of course, this is week 2 of the Easter stuff, so I mean, honestly, I don't really know why they even have 2 weeks of the Easter stuff. It is a pretty mid thing, in my opinion. So the egg suit is in, as we know. I've already talked about this one from last week, going for $14.25, currently starting at $14.07. So if you're going to pick it up, I'd recommend getting it off of the community market at the moment, as it is cheaper, but the prices will probably go up for this one before Easter next year. Just make sure that you sell it before that it gets re-released. Also, someone commented on my recent YouTube video on how to color this egg suit, so hopefully in this video I will actually do that. So yeah, that's my thoughts on the egg suit at the moment. Lots of them have been bought, so going to be interesting to see how they go. Also, their HP is quite low, because I'm pretty sure I compared it to the ninja suit last time. I don't know if I mentioned this, but the HP of them are quite low, and the ninja suit doesn't have any HP. Of course, you can't get the ninja suit anymore, but keep that in mind. Also, I do still think it's pay to win because you can color it, and it is also, like what, 20% projectile protection or some crap like that. Okay, moving over to the carrot balaclava and the carrot poncho. Overall, very basic skins in my opinion. Honestly, surprised they got accepted. I don't mind the overall skin design of the carrot poncho, but I do think that the carrot balaclava is pretty average, to be honest. $1.40 for both of them, so standard store price, good price for them to be going at. Of course, this is a nice little meme set. Overall, I'm not going to recommend investing in the carrot balaclava because, I mean, they just don't really have a demand, and overall, they're just not really worth using in-game either. Having a balaclava on instead of a cap and a bandana, or a boonie cap and a bandana, or a gaming headphones, etc. I mean, there's just better head protection. So overall, not going to recommend investing in the carrot balaclava. I don't think it's going to have any demand. The carrot poncho, I do think that there's only one poncho skin below $1.40. I think it's probably $1.39. Next one I think is around about $1.44. So of course you still be losing money off of that because of the Steam tax. But overall, as long-term investment, I think all poncho skins are pretty safe investments overall. Overall, I'd recommend getting the carrot poncho off of the rest of them store or the community market with a buy order. And I do think as a medium to long-term investment, you can make money off of the carrot poncho skin. Also, it's one of those items that's likely to be market manipulated in a long time in the future, just because of course these things usually do come out with a lower quantity on the community market. Okay, moving over to the carrot jackhammer, going for $2.85. This is literally just a green and orange skin, and it's called a carrot jackhammer. So I mean, honestly, I just do not like this skin at all. I think that there could have been more creative Easter skins in the Rustum store than just carrot themed crap. Honestly, I think it's pretty disappointing this Easter, and I'm not going to recommend investing in the carrot jackhammer. Sorry to the skin creator for just grilling your skin. Overall, moving over to the darker than dark AK, going for $4.25. No clue why this AK is above standard store price, sitting at $4.25, but apparently it just is. I mean, what is the point of this? You've just got some clearly dark themed chocolate themed skin, dark 100%. Darker than dark is the name of it, so it's going to be bloody impossible to find in the future. Doesn't have AK in its name. There's not really much going for it. It really doesn't look like a standout skin in my opinion. I'm being a little bit harsh. Overall, it is a cool skin. It's a nice skin, but I don't think it is a standout skin. And I do think it is definitely something that's going to be forgotten about very soon. So $4.25. I'm not even going to recommend buying this off of the Rustum store. Picking this up as a play skin on the community market is what I'd recommend if you want to buy it as a play skin. But as an investment, I wouldn't recommend buying it off of the Rustum store or even off of the community market with a buy order. It's just not worth it. Moving over to the Easter Doodles LR. Finally, we're going back to the standard store price, $2.85. This is a LR skin with a bunch of stickers on it. Overall, for some reason, the sticker themed skins just don't really perform very well in Rust. And we do already have some sticker themed skins. I don't know if we have any for the LR, but I'm pretty sure we have one for the AK and it didn't perform well. I think it was a Valentine's Day skin actually, so that's funny. Overall, I don't think that the Easter Doodles LR is going to perform well. I do think the quantity will be quite low on the community market. So, I mean, you never know. It could be market manipulated, but I don't think it's going to have any demand either way. I do like the carrots going up to magazine, basically implying that they're the bullets, but that's pretty much it, to be honest. Not a big fan of this skin. Very basic. I'm sure some people will like it. $2.85. Not saying that it's not a well-made skin, but I mean, it's just basic. Not going to recommend investing in the Easter Doodles LR off of the Rossum store for this week. Alrighty, moving over to some creative skins of the week. We have the Easter Stone Hatchet and the Easter Stone Pickaxe off of the Rossum store, going for $2.85 standard store price. Overall, I actually don't really like the stone pickaxe. I just think that the unique cutout shape of it is just a little bit strange on the stone of the actual pickaxe itself. So, I don't know, I just think it's a little bit weird, but I think the idea of it is cool. I'm assuming it's meant to be like a broken egg. And then we have the stone hatchet that has the little hatched chick coming out of it, going for $2.85. I actually don't think this is a bad skin. And I don't think that this is something you would only use during Easter. I don't think it's really going to have much demand, to be honest, but I do still think it's a cool skin. And I'm giving props when props is due to the skin creator, because it's actually a well-made skin and looks quite nice and is actually a creative skin and not just a carrot. So $2.80, sorry. Easter Stone Hatchet, I'd recommend getting that one over the pickaxe, that's for sure, because I do think the pickaxe is a little bit more basic and plain, but I know that the pickaxe would be a little bit harder to work with. Overall, the hatchet, $2.85, almost $3. I do think that if you want to try and invest in this one, still probably pick it up off the community market with a buy order, and then as a long-term investment, perhaps it will go up. Okay, moving over to the deployables, we have the Neon Carrot Door going for $3.55. This is a glowing deployable. I'm pretty sure it doesn't say it on the Rust store page for some reason, but I mean, it's definitely glowing. I'm looking at the pictures of it glowing in the dark. $3.55 is above center store price, but basically center store price for glowing deployables. And I mean, it's a cool skin, don't get me wrong. It's well made, but I just don't think it's going to have any demand. I mean, no one really cares about having a glowing carrot as a door, you know? There's so many cool sheet metal door skins and sheet metal door skins that glow in the dark as well, so pay to win door skins, that I just don't think the Neon Carrot Door is going to perform well. I'm assuming Duck made this, I'm not 100% sure, but $3.55 overall, I'm not going to recommend investing in the Neon Carrot Door skin off of the Rossum store for this week. Righty, moving over to the Neon Eggs box. I actually do like this one a little bit more, but again, for some reason, we've just got the carrot at the end of it. I don't know, I just cannot get amongst that. $2.85 is what this bad boy is going for. We've already got a decent amount of small glowing boxes today. But, I mean, I think this is actually a nice small box skin. I would recommend picking this one up off the community market with a buy order to maximize potential profits. But, I mean, if you do get this for the right price, I actually do see the Neon Eggs box going up in value as a long-term investment. But that's going to be my thoughts for this week, guys. If you want to hear about the Rustage Egg White, then just watch last week's video, $9.25. Overall, I'm basically just not going to recommend investing in it. So if you don't ever want to go and check the next video, the previous video, then don't bother. All right, guys, that's going to be it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And remember, have a skits one.